Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to expand your timeline width in DaVinci Resolve. This is really useful when you're working with complex edits and need more screen space to see your clips and transitions clearly without all the extra panels getting in the way. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and let it load up completely. Once you're in, you'll see several workspace options at the bottom of your screen. Click on Edit to switch to the editing workspace. This is where you'll be spending most of your time assembling your video projects, and having a wider timeline view here can make a significant difference in your editing efficiency. Now, when you're in the Edit workspace, you'll notice that by default, the media pool is open on the left side and the inspector is open on the right side. These panels are helpful, but they take up valuable horizontal space that could be used for your timeline. If you want to expand your timeline width while keeping these panels accessible, the process is actually quite simple. Look at the upper left corner of your screen right before the media pool panel. You'll see a small shrink icon. This icon is designed to collapse the media pool panel, giving you more room for your timeline. Go ahead and click on that shrink icon. You'll immediately notice the media pool panel collapses to the side, freeing up space on the left. Next, turn your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, specifically the area just after the inspector panel. You'll find another shrink icon there. Click on this shrink icon to collapse the inspector panel as well. Once you do this, both side panels will be minimized, and your timeline will automatically expand to fill that newly available horizontal space. And there you have it. Your timeline width is now expanded, giving you a much clearer and broader view of your editing workspace. This makes it easier to navigate through your footage, arrange clips precisely, and see more of your project at once. Whenever you need to access the media pool or inspector again, you can simply click those same icons to bring them back. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.